Ahead of you by the refrigerator.
Okay.
To the left.
He's just hungry.
Look out. His jaw might snap shut on you. Take your arm right off.
Don't take a big bite out of you, Dana, huh?
No.
They found Jonah in there.
They did?
Yes. Thank goodness.
Is he dead or alive?
Oh, he's very much dead.
Oh.
Okay, now sir, what have you eaten? Billy won't. I'm a doctor.
You're a doctor?
Okay, this will help you.
Oh, you're fixing his teeth, huh?
Keep your mouth.
Got a mosquito, I think. A fly.
In red. Alicia, do you have any black?
No, we didn't have any black. Did we, Bree?
Can you trade us back our stuff?
You want the orange?
Yeah, all three of ours.
Well,
All three of ours.
you got yellow. You've got half the yellow we had. And I think we had this one. Whoa!
Get it, Daddy, get it.
Uh-oh!
And we want the yellow back after Bree's done with it.
You've got a yellow. You've got half the yellow we have, so you can use that.
Yeah, but that one doesn't work.
Give it to me. I'll take the wrapper off of it.